Good morning, how are you all? I hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another review to do, and I brought this from TikTok a few weeks ago. I've been poorly, so oh yeah, by the way, thank you for all the lovely get well wishes. It completely knocked me off my feet. But like I said, I brought a product from TikTok. It cost me £10.37. The shipping was free. Like all online shopping, some people like shopping at TikTok or Temu, some people don't. I suppose it's a bit like Marmite, isn't it? So let's show you what we brought. We brought a veggie slicer, 16 in 1. So come on over and we'll have a look. So here it is, this 16-piece veggie slicer. It slices, dices and grates food into the shape or texture that you desire while keeping your fingertips safe from the blades. So we'll have a look at the back, see what we've got in it. I'll bring it a bit closer so you can pause it and have a look. These are selling for different prices on TikTok. Some are £5 but you have to pay for shipping. Some are £15 or £20. I have also looked on Amazon and they start from £10 to the £20 range, but I don't know about their shipping. So in this one, you get 2 dicing blades, 1 coarse cheese grater, 1 wavy slicer for potatoes or squash or fries or even cabbage for coleslaw. You get 1 grater for cheeses, for pasta, potatoes, for hash browns, onions to flavour with without the tears. Whenever you're chopping onions, I always cry. A fine grater for grating garlic, ginger, nutmeg or even chocolate. And you get a 1 slicer for grate slicing veggies, fruits, for snacks, salads, cereals and much more. And you get a peeler, a hand protector and an egg separator. So let's open it up and have a look. That's how it comes. So I suppose that's your finger protector. One is your dicing blade and the other one is the dicing blade. They're just different measurements. And let's get the main thing out now. So what I like about this one, and I've noticed, it's got a handle. Keith's one, you have to slam it down to chop, and I don't like that because it's too, I can't do it. It's just, I just can't do it. So let's have a look at this. That's how it comes. I'm going to give it all a good wash in a minute. That's that bit. It's the handle and the top. Oh, and I also like it because you get all your little blades in a blade compartment, so they're not spread everywhere, all in your drawer, so you don't lose them all. So that's a good idea as well. Oh, dropping things on the floor already. Oh gosh. That's your egg separator. That's your peeler. And you get a cleaning brush. So I suppose when things get stuck, you can just do that, can't you? And then what I liked about this also is that it had a built-in colander, which is good as well. And I think for £10.37, I think you get a good deal because you get all of this. And it does feel quite good, not cheap and flimsy like most of them feel. So I'm going to go and wash it. I'm going to wash all the stuff, and Keith's kindly chopped me some stuff up for me. So I'm going to go and wash it now and I'll come back to you. Right, I've washed it all up now. So you'll notice I've got some gloves here. I'm going to wear these because when I was washing these up, I noticed how sharp they are. They're very, very sharp. I got these from Temu for about 50p. They're anti-cut gloves when you're chopping and slicing things. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with some of the blades, and I'm going to choose this one, the potato one, the wavy one. So I'm going to try and clip it in, if I can get it the right way around this time. Just watch your fingers though, because these are really sharp. Right, I've clipped that in. I'm going to put my gloves on. And then I'm going to try and use the hand protector that it come with it as well. This. So I'm going to try and stick this in one of my potatoes. Like so. And that pops up. Or when you push it in, you know it's gripped onto it because that green thing pushes up. So I'm going to try and have a go now. See if I can do it with the hand protector on. Oh. And then I'll try it without the hand protector on. But they are very, very sharp. I find the hand protector good, but it's just awkward. Let's have a look now. Oh, look at these. They're good. That's how they come out. You could put some seasoning on them and you could put them in the air fryer, couldn't you? And have them as crispy chips. So that's good, I like that. And it's held the potato really well. I just find it a bit awkward. So to get it off, you just push it out like that. That's good, that is. So I'm going to set this aside in a bowl. I'm just going to put it on there for now, actually. Right, we're going to try a different one. So I'm going to try and take this blade out. Try a shredding one next. It might be a bit awkward with these gloves on. Let me just take these off a second. I have to really watch my fingers. So that's the wavy slicer. So I'll put that one there. And then we're going to use a grating one. We've got two graters. We've got one big one and one small one. You notice the difference. So I'm going to use the big one. And you just clip them in. It's really simple. You just clip them in. Make sure it's clipped down. I'm going to put my gloves back on because knowing me, I'll end up cutting my fingers. We're going to try doing it with, what do you call these? A sweet potato. Try and grate some up. Right, I'm going to try and use it without the hand protector now. See if it's... They're so sharp, these blades are. Really sharp. Let's have a look at this now. I mean, I find it a bit awkward because of the strength in my hands and arms, so you probably won't. Oh, look. And then you've got that. So you could use your grater for cheese, potatoes. You could make a rusty, couldn't you? Or something like that. So that's the grater. Get some of this out. I'll just put it on the side here on my thing. I haven't really had to use this yet, but I might have to just to poke the bits out of the grater when they get stuck, or the slicer. So take this off. Let's take my gloves off again. They are so sharp. Right, I'm going to try a couple more things. We'll put that one to the side. So that's the small grater. Then we've got the big grater, which is exactly the same as the little grater. And then we've got the slicer. And I have noticed that it does say how big it is. That's 2.5 mm. So I'm going to put this in like I did last time with all of them. You can only put them a certain way. They won't go the other way. So you have to put them a certain way. And I'm going to try and do some cucumber. See if we can have some slices of cucumber. I have noticed with this one lifts up. So I'm going to have to turn it around like that. I'm just going to have to be careful of that. This one won't push in like the others did. It pops back up. So this one might be a bit problematic, whatever you call it. Yeah, straight away it's come out. Oh dear. Right, I'll try and put that one back in again. So this is the only one I've had trouble with so far. The rest have been fine. So try and put that back in again. I'm going to have to try and hold it down with my fingers because it does seem to pop back up. That is the only one that does that. Oh, never mind. Let me just get that out of it, whatever that is. Bit of food. Right, I'm going to try the cucumber now. This might be a bit awkward. Oh no. Really watch your fingers with this one. It's really sharp. Really, really sharp. Actually, because it's alright now. Yeah, it's not popped back up. I don't want to go too low because of my fingers. There we go. Let's have a look. There we go. And it's chopped you some cucumbers up. So the last one I've got to try now is these ones. The ones that cut it into cubes. So you clip that bit into there, like so. We'll put that on. And then this one clips into there, like that. That's it. Right. This is the only one I'm a bit worried about. Do it that way, that's it. Right, let's get something now. Should we get a tomato? Try tomato first. I shouldn't have to wear my gloves because it's only a push down one. Ready? And we push. Gosh, that's really good to use. Oh no. That didn't work very well, did it? That didn't work well at all. That might just be because of me. It's gone all up the walls and everything. I'll have to try again with a thing, but I might get Keith to come in to do this. I'm finding this one a bit of a problem. That might just be me, or I don't know. Give me a second. Right, I've had to bring Keith in to help me with this bit because I haven't got the strength in my arms and my hands to push it down. So I want somebody who can use things properly to try it for me.
Someone with muscles.
Someone with muscles, yeah. Mine are weak. I don't know if you want to use a bigger one, that's up to you.
No, no.
See how you find it. See, I can't do that. That's perfect, isn't it? See, I can't. Yeah. That's perfect. That works well. Thank you.
Is that supposed to stay on there?
Yes, it's supposed to stay, but it comes off all the time. It's not too good.
You just smack it.
Yeah, obviously I can't smack it.
I don't think that would work.
Yeah, because you're supposed to push it with the handle.
Yeah, I don't think that
I
would
don't.
work.
I've just tried it with a tomato, and you have to smack it down.
Yeah.
And that start all the nerves in my hands. So thank you for testing that for me. So right now we've tested some food, and we've chopped some up. Just wait for Keith to go. There we go. So you got your cut up onion. The only thing we have noticed is when that's on, it moves around a lot. It doesn't stay. It doesn't stay on properly. And like Keith said, you wouldn't be able to push it down like that, like it shows you on the videos. Just push it down with a bit of pressure. So that's why I wanted to bring Keith in, because he can use stuff like this. Right, I'm at the table now, and I'm just showing you what we've done. So we've grated, we've sliced, and we've done some of these wavy potato slice things. You could do some right good things with them, couldn't you? So, like I showed you before, this is all what came with it, and I paid £10.37 from TikTok shop. There is loads of deals on there, loads of offers, so you'd have to have yourselves a really good look. Some charge delivery, some don't charge delivery. I got free delivery, so for £10.37, I think it does its job. The only sort of iffy bit I did have was one of the blades not sticking down, and it kept popping up, and when you put the lid on top of that, it keeps moving around and stuff. So, and I had to get Keith in to do the last bit, but that's just down to me with my hands and arms and stuff. So yeah, when Keith went to the shop, he went to Aldi and he bought himself one of these, and this cost him £5, and that came with none of the extra bits. So, do I think TikTok's worth it? Yeah, I do in a way, because it does its job, doesn't it? It does the job that you want it to do. So I'm going to score it, I think, a 4. Only because I had a few little qualms that the lid doesn't stay on properly. One of the slicers kept bouncing up and down. So yeah, Right, would I shop at TikTok again? Would I shop at TikTok shop? Probably not. It all depends what I wanted really. Some of the things on there can be overpriced and look cheap and nasty. I've read some reviews, but then some reviews are really good with their stuff, so you'd have to have yourselves a real good look. So yeah, so thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I will see you all later. Bye.